numbers, though,
efficient.
the way you make your numbers is to be more efficient. Look, I was a hedge fund manager for 14 years. I created absolutely nothing, okay? I'm just going to admit it. You know, I can tell you I made money for firefighters. I mean, I created nothing except for wealth. Okay, wealth for me and my partners. And no one ever wants to say that on air because it just, like, sounds so horrible. Did you hear that Cramer just said he created nothing? Well, why not just own it, okay? I own that. I created nothing. And what I did do, I paid ordinary income tax because I didn't want to be aggressive. I regard this stuff as aggressive. But I've got to tell you, I'm not as much anti-private equity as I am anti the fact that they bought Congress. Or let me be more diplomatic. They have tremendous congressional mind share.
But with that money, though, you went out and bought goods and services that employed American workers.
And money to charity.
Yeah, but at the same time, that money's concentrated in a very small group of people. I mean, yes, Melissa, private equity employs many people through the companies that they control, but the amount of ultimate people who benefit enormously are still relaally small at the firms themselves. The growth of the hedge fund industry, private equity, asset management overall over the last 10 to 15 years in this country has been nothing short of astonishing, in my opinion.
Yeah,
and has resulted in a lot of what you hear right now, which is concentration of wealth in extraordinarily small hands because of that ability. They've done nothing wrong.
No, my job was to make rich people richer,
what they wanted to do. Yes.
Right. Including myself. That was really my job. I mean, I said it. That was the manifesto. I will make rich people richer. Now, if that's a really high calling, then I am there. And I feel terrific. I should run for president.
But it doesn't mean that they should ultimately have an advantage tax rate. That's and perhaps not, the interest deductibility as well that helps the business on private equity is also something in question.
Well, this election, this campaign, this primary, this unbelievable race is revealing what I regard as the fraud of the different tax systems. There's the rich people's tax system and the poor people's tax system. And that's the 1% versus 99. And that's what this whole Gingrich surge, I think, is about.
Yeah. That is absolutely true, given the way the Republican Party is changing to lower income, less educated. That's a huge part of what's happening on the right. JC